bolting down like that. This is the stuff that's going to be up in the clouds and just kind of cloud to cloud lightning that creates that long roll.
Just a nice little background noise.
Just a little bit of background noise. The roughest of the weather's heading down Southern Valley, down toward Chattanooga. We're done with the flooding rain.
Okay, that's
but
good.
We're not done with the flooding.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You know, the rain is tapering off, but the flood waters, we're going to take some time for that to recede. So let's talk about it. Hopefully you've downloaded this app. We've kind of reminded you several times this morning. It's a great tool to have in your sort of family's protection plan, is to have this app. If the power goes out and your phone's fully charged, this one will continue to give you alerts and updates, radar updates, things like that. Now, power is out, and we've talked about this. These are customers, the utility boards, the electric co-ops, the different utilities out there reporting power outages to customers in Knoxville. Knox County is still showing the most of them, but Jefferson County had quite a few show up. You see up in Fentress County, a very strong storm came out of Kentucky and went through Fentress County, also dropping down through Crossville and Cumberland County. So that's the wind issue, I think, that brought down a lot of trees and knocked out a lot of that power. Now the rain issue. From about 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock last night, through now, we continue to see rain tally up in this corridor between Knoxville and Clinton, up in Anderson County, where over 7 inches of rain has now fallen. You see anywhere from 3 to 7 inches in a corridor, most of this falling in a short period of time, creating a flash flooding concern, and the flood warnings came out and remain up because of the flood waters that are still in spots and over roads. So here's the rain as it continues to be steady. You see some flashes of lightning here. In this type of environment, that's just the long, steady, long roll, rumbly thunder that we'll have really for the next couple of hours. The strongest of the weather is now pushing way south and fastly moving down toward Cleveland and Chattanooga. Still have some flood advisories and that flash flood warning up for Anderson and Knox County until 8:45. Now we're watching the rain kind of tapering off. That trend continues, and I think by lunchtime we can get rid of all the rain. That'd be great. Some drier air starts to filter on in. We will see some sunshine, which should help things get warm up to near 90, and that'll probably, well, if not likely, help to produce a few thunderstorms that'll pop up and head off eastward. I don't see these being as rough as the stuff we just had to deal with, but some will pop up later on this afternoon. So our morning rain and rumbles of thunder, and then further south of Madisonville, down toward Philadelphia and points southward. That's where the strongest of the weather is now. What's left behind is just some steady rain and rumbles of thunder. We'll keep the rain chance elevated through the morning and then tapering off this afternoon. Overnight, I don't see much in the way of rain at all. I do think we'll see some fog as we cool it down into the 60s and all this low-level moisture left over and the air becomes more stable. I would think we'll see some fog in the morning. Expected high temperatures now begin to soar. We're in the mid-90s from Friday through Sunday, so it's going to be hot with some humidity. Now the humidity, the moisture content of the air will not be as high as what we saw yesterday and overnight. As this front has come through, that will allow for some drier air. So temperatures dip to the 60s. It'll be comfortable at night, but really hot during the day. And your heat index temperatures through the weekend will be above 100 degrees, Allison.
All right, thank you so much, Justin.